Let's begin by standing up out of the chair. We sit on the edge of the seat. We make sure our legs are parallel, making sure ankle is below knee. And we push down, feet push down into the ground. Arms lift and you tilt forward. Squeeze your belly, push your feet down and lift up and out of the chair. And then take a moment. Remember, the chair hasn't gone anywhere. And then when it's time to sit down, we do the opposite. Arms up, squeeze your belly, push your butt backward. Push, 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 push your butt back. Keep pushing back. Get low, butt on the chair, and you're back to sitting. Give yourself a moment. Remember, keep your arms loose, keep them available. Don't put them behind your back. Keep them available to you. Practice that one. You can always start a little bit further back on the chair so that you're guaranteed to get your butt onto it. Arms forward, belly squeezes, tilt forward, feet push down, up you go. Take a moment. And then arms forward, belly squeezes, butt pushes back, push it 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 back. Down onto the chair you go, and release. Practice. Okay, let's do twisting in the chair. So again, on the edge of your seat. Feet parallel, ankles beneath knees. We take arms out to the sides, and we're gonna turn and try and tap the chair, and then come back to center, and then go to the other side. Turn, tap the back of the chair, come back to center. Turn, come back to center. Turn, come back to center. Each time you turn, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Repeat that one. Keep going. Do it until you feel like you can't do any more. And then do one more to each side, making sure you finish on the second side. And then take a break. This time we're going to do lifts. You can use a book. You can use anything that's a little bit heavy. Same setup here. Legs parallel, knees beneath ankles, sitting on the edge of your chair, and hold something in between your hands. It could be a book, a box, anything that's available. And you're gonna reach it forward, and you're gonna pull your shoulders back. So we don't wanna be here. We wanna pull shoulders back. And then you're gonna lift, and then bring it right out in front of your chest. Each time you lift, you take a breath in. Keep your shoulders back. Don't let them come forward. Adjust every once in a while. Up, lower, up, lower, up, lower. Keep doing it until you feel like you can't do any more. Do one more, and then you can take a break. Try to do 6 or 8 or 10 of those lifts, and then take a break.